Hi everyone, it's me, it's Julia. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to my channel, it's Greek to me. I'll be teaching you a lot of different things from the Greek cuisine and from different places all over the world. And there will be videos here in English and there will be videos here in Greek as well. All the directions and all the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, okay? So that way you'll know exactly what you need for every recipe. We're going to start off with something very simple today, something that's refreshing but also very good for you as well. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing to the channel if you haven't yet and you'd like to partake in the channel, then go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to smash that like for me. So what we're making today is called tzatziki. It's simple, but it also has a lot of really good attributes to the dish. You can put it over bread. You can put it as a side with pork, beef, chicken, right? Like grilled chicken. You can use it as dip with chips. It consists of yogurt, 2% plain yogurt, cucumber, garlic, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, and salt and pepper. Okay, so I'm going to bring down the camera just a little bit, right, so you can see what's going on. And also, while we will be cooking and doing different recipes that use vegetables, right, I want you to keep in mind that every time you use a vegetable like a cucumber, an eggplant, an onion, anything, celery, I'll be teaching you different things. You should be storing those seeds and letting them dry out, especially if you have a place to make a vegetable garden. It doesn't have to be huge, right? But you should be saving those seeds for the next spring so that you can plant them and have fresh vegetables in your garden, right, that you can hand pick every day when we're cooking together, okay? So let me lower the camera, right? What we're going to start off with is with the cucumber. I will be splitting it in half, okay? We're making a portion for, let's just say, 1 or 2 people, right? It's very important for you to pay attention to the expiry date on the yogurt because you can make the tzatziki and put it in a Tupperware and eat it as you go along, right, because it's fresh, but only up until the expiry date on the container. So this one says September 9th, okay? So you can make this now, have a little bit, put it in a Tupperware, store it in your refrigerator, and you'll know, right, depending on the date on your yogurt, until how long it's good for, okay? Now you can make bigger portions, right? Like double it up, right? So instead, like if you wanted to do 2 times this amount, which here, it's about a cup, right? If you wanted to make 2 cups worth, you would use the whole cucumber, right? And instead of using only 2 cloves of garlic, you would use 3, depending on how much you like garlic, right? All the rest of the ingredients are the same, right? You may have to add just a little bit more, depending on how much you're making. But it's a great way, especially if you have friends over. It's very refreshing. The garlic is great. It fights off all kinds of sickness, right? And the yogurt is great for your intestines, right? Keeps them healthy inside. The plain yogurt, right? Greek yogurt. All right, so let's start off. I'm going to lower the camera. I love y'all. Here we go, right? All right, so I'm going to start off. I'm going to put the yogurt aside. And I'm going to start cleaning the cucumber. Now keep in mind, some of you may want to split it open, right, to take some of those seeds, especially if you like the way the cucumber looks on the outside. That's basically what you will get once you put the seeds in your garden. Cucumbers grow very quickly. They need a lot of water. You also have to give them some type of structure that they can climb up, right? The more they climb up, the more flowers they make, the more cucumbers. You'll have so many cucumbers just from one plant. It'll be more than enough, right? If you have a big family, then I would put like 2 or 3 cucumber plants in your garden. All right, so we're just going to start with this side here, and we are going to start grating the cucumber, seeds and all, right? Until we get this thing fully grated. It's almost done here. And keep in mind, you know, you can put 1 clove of garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. It all depends, you know, how you react to garlic, right? Or how garlicky you'd like it to be. So now this is grated. I've kept the other half because right after this, I'm going to do another video that also includes cucumber in it. That's also very nice for hot weather, and it's healthy. And I'll be teaching you how to do that next. All right, so we've got our cucumber grated here. All right, I'm going to put it in this bowl. First, I'm going to empty out the yogurt, put it in, mix it up so it's all nice and smooth till the container's empty. Yeah. Okay, and we're just going to mix that up, right? So it's nice and smooth and has a very smooth consistency to it. Okay, and then we're going to add in the cucumber that we shredded in there, right? Okay, and then we go to the garlic. We just need, I mean, I like to have a little bit of extra garlic in there, so you could take like 1.5 cloves, 2 cloves for this kind of an amount, or just 1 clove. Like I said, it all depends on your taste buds and, you know, how much garlic you actually like, right? It's up to you what you want to do there. So we just cut off the ends. We'll use the flat part of the knife here to, let me just pick that up, and we'll smash the garlic right now to make it easier to clean. You take out the outside skin, right? So all that's left is the garlic. Here we go. Smash the next one. It's just an easier way to clean it, right? That way you're not sitting there fussing too much. Here we go. All right, so we've got both ends cleaned. We've taken off the skin off the garlic. And now we're just going to finely chop the garlic. Let me just move that out of the way. Here we go. So just until it's cut up, finely chopped, like you would any other thing like onion, right? Now I also like to take bread and toast it either on the grill or just toast it and then drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and oregano. And I like to top this on top of that toasted bread or grilled bread. It's absolutely delish. Okay, so our garlic is all chopped up now. Let's go ahead and add that in there as well. Okay, let me just move the cutting board out of the way so we can continue here. Okay, so we take the vinegar. We don't want too much, maybe like a teaspoonful, right? In here, yeah. Now, salt is up to you, how much salt you'd like to put in there, right? I usually just put like that much, like a teaspoon in. And we sprinkle it with a little bit of pepper. See, just like that. And of course a drizzle of olive oil. And then you just mix it all up, just like that. And I know a lot of you buy store-bought tzatziki. It's just not the same. It's not, you know, at the moment, right? So this is so much more delicious and healthier for you. And like I said, you can store it in a Tupperware and just, you know, have it here and there, or you can just put it in a pretty little bowl and serve it with chips and stuff like that. So that's how you make tzatziki. It's so much better than the store-bought. It really is. I'm going to taste some just to see. It's so good and so refreshing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And like I said, just store it in the fridge. I can't stop eating this. Trust me, it's not like the store-bought. It's much, much better. And like I said, it's healthy, it's good, it's refreshing. And once you take it out of the fridge and it's nice and cold, it's amazing. You can even buy pita, dip pita in there as well. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sending you much love. And thank you for being here. Okay? And I'll see you really soon with the next recipe. Take good care. Bye.